may COA report din. Thank you po. Now, when COA reviewed yung performance audit, okay, may nilabas ho si COA. Okay? Some of you have already seen this before. If you've been attending my webinar, alam nyo na ito. But for those of you, if this is your first time, ito yan. Okay. We have the RTH unpaid claims from 2011 to 2020. Bakit 2011? Kasi ito ho yung pag-umpisa ng partial case rate. Okay? So, ang sabi ni COA, ito ho yung top reasons bakit na RTH yung claim. Number 1, RTH. Okay? Other documents required. Unavailable, incomplete, inconsistent, unreadable document, number 2. Number 1 is 3 billion. Number 2 is 2.6 billion. Accomplish the CF2. Diyos ko. 1.8 billion. Discrepancy, 1.7 billion. XML, it's 1.9 billion. And the rest. Okay? So, yan ho ngayon ang tanong. Sobrang laki ho ng mga RTH nationwide. Now, sabi ni COA, hindi ho si PhilHealth ang gumawa na to ha. Hindi din ho si hospital. It's a third party, the Commission on Audit. Sabi ni COA, the reason that this happens is because ito. It's all about incomplete documentation. So sabi ni COA, claims have been returned to the hospital. Claims are repeatedly being returned to the hospital because of incomplete documentation. Okay? Now, ganito ho yan. As I said kanina pag-umpisa natin, di ba? Si PhilHealth ho will pay you if you can provide what they need. Okay? Ano ba yung need nila? Okay? Yung documents, yung checklist. If you can provide the requirements, they will pay you. So, aligned with the findings of COA, a lot of the hospitals since 2011 up to 2020, okay, is repeating the same mistake. Dahil ho, incomplete documentation lang ang problema ninyo. Hindi ho kayo mga bobo, hindi ho kayo mga hindi lang ho talaga ninyo okay, makumpleto yung requirements. That is why the claim is being returned. That is why a lot of hospitals okay, are losing money dahil delayed. Okay? So, who among you, my question is this, who among you, okay, ay meron hong return na any of the 10 or probably all of the 10? Can you please type number 1 if meron ho kayong ganyang return? Type number 2 if sa tingin ninyo wala ho kayong ganyang return. Okay? For the past several years. Okay, thank you sir. You have number 1, number 1, number 1, number 1. Okay, number 1. Thank you po very much. So, yan ho ang findings ni COA. Okay? Thank you po. Thank you very much. Now, ano pa? May findings pa si COA. Again, nakita na ho na ng iba ito. So, denied claims. So, the denied claims, sabi ni COA, ito paulit-ulit din. Okay? 2011 to 2020. So, a lot of you, or a lot of the hospitals are losing money simply because your claims were filed beyond 60 days. It's 3.6 billion pesos. Denied non-compliance. Binalik na ho sa inyo para may correction, binalik nyo kay PhilHealth, okay? Hindi ho na-comply yung correction. It's denied. That's 2.5 billion. Single period policy. Case not compensable. Doctor not accredited. Oh my God. So these are the things wherein your money or you're losing money because of this, because it's automatic denied. Okay? Ano pa sabi ni COA? Ano bang dahilan? Okay? Eto po. The reason why you're not being paid properly is because timing issues, non-compliance, and non-compensable. Okay? Again, this is not my data. I have a similar data on this, but COA practically did it also. So, para walang bias, pakita ko sa inyo. Again, this is not mine. Okay? This came from the COA report of 2021.